Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we got this 2022 F-450, and this is a iconic silver color, and it's got a carbonized gray on the bottom. And we haven't done one of these before. This is actually a repeat customer, guys out of Chicago, race car buddy of mine. And we did a red one for him a couple years ago. One of our other race car buddies, decided he needed that truck worse than the other buddy, so next thing we know, we're building this gray truck. And what's cool about this is, you don't see very many of these, and gave us an opportunity, with the three-piece bumpers to do some, silver on gray action. So starting with the front of the truck, we did our Delta Series bumper, and we did the center section, the silver, and then the outside we did the carbonized gray. So this really gives this truck a unique look with the two-tone of the silver and the gray. So we did chrome monster hooks, and then we did our Midnight Series rigids. Since this truck's gonna be pulling a 40-foot gooseneck trailer, we decided to go with our stock height suspension. For tires, we got 35-inch on 22-inch American Force, and these are the AT3s, being that the gentleman lives in Chicago. You're gonna have to drive around, you're gonna get some snow and ice. So we wanted, something that's gonna work out good in the winter for this. We've got our Kelderman Raptor shocks on the front, and for the control system, we're using our 3H, and we also did our Kelderman radius arms. And these wheels also have the new American Force billet center caps instead of the older plastic style. The stock height's awesome because, the 5,000 pounds of tongue weight going to have with that big race car trailer, we use a large airbag, and, the ride is awesome when it's empty. It's awesome when it's unloaded. And by using this large airbag, we kind of did some engineering to where we had Firestone put a large port in this. And then we have a couple 1-gallon tanks on each side. We run a 3/4 inch line in between. And what that does is when the truck's empty, we got this large airbag. But by having the airline in between the surge tank, it helps absorb the smaller bumps, which takes this 450 and makes it ride more like a 3/4 ton, a good riding 3/4 ton when it's empty. We've got a large sway bar on this thing to help the handling when that trailer's on there. And of course with the 3H, when you go to dump the trailer, you can hit the button, drop the air out of it, back out. And it also, when he goes to hook back on, takes the jack out, it'll automatically keep it at ride height. So for the rear bumper, we've got our Alpha Series. We painted the center section, the iconic silver, and the carbonized gray. We've got our chrome monster hooks on it, and we've also got our Midnight Series ridges to match the front. We popped out the tail lights and put our tint on it. We did the same thing with the marker lights, and that makes a big difference on these trucks, getting rid of that big bright red tail light. Getting that tint on it, really makes the rest of the truck flow together. So I'm real excited about this truck because, like I said, it was one of my friends here, and be able to see him at the racetrack. And it's always awesome when, you're just kind of hanging out, and you got the other racers coming up to the truck and, say, man, that's really cool, and where'd you get it, and this and that. So I get to do a little eavesdropping and just smile knowing that, all those compliments are coming from the stuff we built right here in Oskaloosa, Iowa.